In the 1960s, brothers John, Peter, and Anthony Coruzzi came to America from the beautiful town of Abruzzo, Italy. They landed in Essex, Maryland, located just east of the city Baltimore. Later, in '66, the Orioles won their first World Series championship against the LA Dodgers, and that same year, Pizza John's opened its doors. Back then, Essex was a close community with a small-town vibe known for crabbing and some historic places like the Ballstone Mansion. Situated along the back river, the coastal scene was a good fit for the brothers, and they soon developed a following of loyal diners. And they set up their business with room to grow by opening a 600-square-foot carryout spot they called home for 11 years. Their brand had an old-school Italian feel and the authentic pizza to match. They worked long days at the original location until they realized it was time for the next step. In 1981, Pizza John's customers were able to enjoy the new expanded location, 2,000 square feet, with seating for 80 guests. And by 2003, expanded with another 100 seats, and the growth continued. And as of 2012, this mega pizzeria clocks in at a whopping 12,000 square feet, seating 320 guests. They say the secret to this long-lived success is a commitment to their Italian heritage. Butchering meats, making dough and sauce from scratch, our philosophy never changed from day one. We always wanted to focus on one location and bring value to our customers. Keeping the focus on a singular location served the business well, and it grew in ways they never imagined back in 1966. Rooted in tradition, the business stays relevant, with a Facebook page that boasts 23,000 followers, where they celebrate holidays and enthusiastic employees, and they even launched a Snapchat account to continue to reach a new and younger audience. The business also sells Pizza John branded merchandise that includes glasses and even growlers of beer, boasting their updated logo. Always family owned with one location. We reach the whole Baltimore area. Everyone knows us. Here's to another 50 years at Pizza John's. Welcome to the Hall of Fame.